Good afternoon, West Chevy enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the Rod and Hope with Cal Shaves. Today we're going to give you a comparison shave between two of the most aggressive razors I have in my collection. As far as DEs go, we're going to pit the Muhle R41 against the DSCosmetics ZO. It looks like the ZO is a clone of the 41. The Muhle R41 is chrome-plated brass, total length of 3 1/4 inches. It's made in Germany and goes. You can get it from a number of retailers, but right now it's at Fender Hand for $55 Canadian. The DSCosmetics is available with several different handles. This particular one has a total length of 3 7/8 inches. It's made out of 316L stainless steel, made in China. And right now they're running $43 USD and up from AliExpress. I'm going to be going with one of my favorite blades in both these razors. I'm going to be using the Voskhod. They're out of Russia. The price has gone through the roof on Amazon for somewhat obvious reasons. The soap we're using today is going to be from WTF, Wet the Face and D, out of Huntington, New York, from your favorite YouTuber and Facebooker, Don Younger. He offers his soaps both in vegan and tallow. He offers several different accessories, including bowls, towels, 3D stands, and 3D holders. This particular scent is called Dark Matter. It is a vegan-based, and it's inspired by the Apple TV series, of which I have not seen yet, but is on my list. The notes on this one are dark vetiver, dark amber, dark clove with rosewood and cedar. And of course I'm going to be using the matching aftershave, which is alcohol based. Now this soap has a very creamy consistency. It's not a croap, it's definitely not a hard soap, so it's very creamy like. Now Don is selling his vegan soaps for $14 USD and slightly more for his tallow at $14.95. The aftershaves are listed for $16 USD, and for some sets he does have them listed as a set, sometimes with the soap and the aftershave, and sometimes with a soap, a bar soap, and an aftershave, so check that out. Wet the Face has quite a range of different scents available in the vegan and tallow. Some of your traditional scents, such as barbershop, some based on TV series, such as this one, Stranger Shaves. He has 3 different scents inspired by the main characters from Peaky Blinders, which I definitely want to check out. The brush I'm using in this shave is another brush by my buddy Richard Coyote. This one is a Badger. I believe it's 24 millimeter, and it is a hybrid handle. I don't remember what type of wood it's made out of, but you'll see some wood and a resin handle, and I just love it. There's no coin on the bottom of it, unfortunately, but what a pleasure to use this brush. And as always, we're going with my Thirsty Badger lather bowl, made by Jared Francais from out Western Canada. I love this bowl. I use it every time I do a bowl lather. To summarize this shave, the Muhle R41 is notorious for being aggressive, but for this shave I found the DSCosmetics had a lot more blade feel, a lot more bite, and as you can see it gave me a couple of weepers. The weight, for me, I preferred over the Muhle R41 though. Both razors did leave me with a slight bit of irritation on my neck though.